Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to restore Ambire Wallet using backup phrase. Ambire Wallet lets you securely store, send and receive cryptocurrencies. If you ever lose access to your device, you can restore your wallet using your backup phrase, and this is the only 12 or 24 word phrase you save them setting up your wallet. So in this guide I'll show you exactly how to restore your Ambire Wallet safely. First, make sure you already have Ambire Wallet extension in the top right corner. Open any of the web browser. After that, go to these extensions here and go to your Ambire web wallet over here. So what you can do is you need to select to this import existing account and select your recovery phrase. What you have to do is simply you need to write or paste your recovery phrase over here, and you will be prompted to enter your recovery phrase. Carefully type all the 12 or 24 words in your exact order. Double check each word. Even one mistake can prevent access to your wallet. And after that, you can confirm, and that is it. Once you type your recovery phrase, Ambire Wallet will sync your account and restore your balances and assets. You should now see all your funds and tokens exactly as they were in the original wallet. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion on how to restore Ambire Wallet using backup phrase, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.